Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide birthday or your birthday here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, just log into your account. Now go ahead over to home right here under your space or my space right here, overview. Okay, just go ahead over to the top right, click on this three dots. This has more options, not here in these tabs. Okay, at the top right, click on it, and as you can see here, we have personal preferences. So click on it. And as you can see, when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you have permissions. Okay. As you can see, you can hide your birthday right here. You can also hide your wedding anniversary, work anniversary, and hide your mobile number. Okay. So once that's done, just click on submit. After that, you're good to go. Now, if you're an admin and you're trying to hide birthdays for your employee, okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to your settings right here. Now click on manage accounts. Okay, now in here you'd want to go ahead and click on a profile, for example this one right here. Scroll down and find birthday or date of birth. As you can see here, this one is blank and that's what you need. Okay, so for example this guy right here, I'm going to scroll down to date of birth. Okay, you can just easily click on the pencil button and click on the X icon and just click on this date right here and just backspace. Okay, backspace, check. There you go. You can see here it says record updated successfully and it's now deleted. All right, and there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.